Kartik. It's a nice ano eh. He's fixing it.
Close, ma.
I don't know.
Close, 'cause they're red.
He's fixing here.
Ma, hurry, go on.
Okay, okay. Fixing cars here. Okay, okay. Oh, what's gonna do? Oh, my push is hard. Just go. In Automed, they're really cool. They fix everything. So here you go. If you want to have a car problem, you can go here in Automed. Car problem here in Panglao. Okay. And if you had a car, I think this is car accident. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my gosh, got hit this one. So you just come here in Automed Bohol. They're really fixing my way. Friends has a car problem. He got hit some wall. Yeah. So here. So if that one is, he said I got hit someone else, but the good thing the driver is alive. Okay. Ooh.
When you compare to that,
Got hit. So spray he's spraying paint. Wow. They're really good. Car, yeah, close. Okay, lock. One here. So they can fix everything here. And just Cartech, that Cartech place. Automed. It's cool, right? It's like Automed there. Can fix cars.
Do that, ma.
What? They can fix this one too. It's cool. And they get rusty. Oh, it smells so strong. That is spray. Tang. Got stuck there.
kenapa? You know. Open them. Open this. Then you can put. You break it.
What do you lock there? Yeah. They pull. That's the broom. That's the door. this one. They're still fixing it. Gears, card, brake. Yeah, the scars.
This one here?
Yeah.
Now looking at this car, right? See on this side?
Who's this
Got hit?
fault? Somebody did hit him?
Now look at the other side. Look at the other side.
What happened?
Look at the other side. Right?
Yeah.
On the other side.
Oh, this
not the
one.
front.
Oh, this one.
So,
His fault.
yes, it's his fault. You know what he's probably doing?
Oh.
It's just a guess. He was passing unsafely.
Oh.
And two vehicles were probably following, didn't have anywhere to go. One went this way and one went this way. Didn't completely miss him and they hit him.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Must be
This
here.
is why when you drive, you have to drive without, don't get angry.
Don't drive.
Forget about it, get over it. Let it go. Forget about it.
Yeah.
Because you just make it. Okay, so here we are at AutoMed store over here in I think it's Dallas. Anyways, let's take a look at this vehicle here. Tell me what you think. Something ain't right. Got the Ford EcoSport. That's serious business right there. Both sides. Wow. Heavy. Hopefully nobody got hurt. Got an old Wego over here. Got some cool vehicles. Something different. Something different to look at, right? Okay. These guys are really nice, really good over here at the AutoMed store. Unfortunately, my friend, his door on his multi-cab became, his door became, how can you say, got a little touch there, and they're trying to fix it. Hello. So they're working hard. These guys are experts at the AutoMed. And so there it is. And then we got this beautiful vehicle here. This is pretty cool. They're painting the whole vehicle. These guys don't even play around here. These guys look really, 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 really good. I see a lot of their cars, it's like they take everything out from scratch. And I don't want to touch it, but it looks fantastic. Really, to be here in person. It's very nice. I love it. You guys are really good. Really good. Wow. Look at that. I mean, that looks like it's going to be like the factory by the time they're done. Then you got the, I hate to breathe this too long, the doors and the hoods. Let's take a look at the hood. Oh, yeah. Oh, AutoMed all the way. Wow, at least I know where I go if I need to go somewhere, but hopefully I will not need to go anywhere. There's some other little pieces hanging here. Me, I take something apart, I have no idea how to put it back together. The simplest thing, I don't try to take anything apart. No. So we got some other vehicles here. The paint's getting thick for me. I think I'm gonna have to get out of here, but whew. Whew. Again, it's AutoMed. And I'm sorry I can't give you more information how to get here. There's a little store over here. I didn't even know there was a store here. Boy, I am so blind. The older I get, the blinder I am. Hello. So, big long road here. Well, let's take a look at the sign over here with some of the services that they have. We got some different. I got some phone numbers here too. I'm gonna try to get in close for you. Your reliable car doctors, right here. And there it is. There it is. Yes. And what kind of repairs are we talking about? Services offered. And they're very nice. Bunch of guys from Cebu. Not saying they're all from Cebu, but they're real nice, calm professionals. And I don't know about you folks, but I always admire people that can take these cars apart. All right.
Try it. Isa na siya?
Okay, yeah.
Wala ko. Wala ko.
To make it a little higher.
So bad. But they fixed now the door. And it's releasing. Before it was really all broke. This car. But now it's releasing today. They fixed everything nice. Sucked it.
Salt and here. And here a little bit spray.
That one. Yeah. Wow. Other than. Okay na kayo na. Okay na na. Ha? Ha?
I pull with hot water.
We can pull that one, but it's hard to make the form back, and they will not go inside the what do you call overlap.
You have to paint all.
But then you paint this or you paint the whole car?
No,
Only the portion.
Well, how much? Got it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
2, 3. Okay. Stop it. 4. Imong liha andaan.
Para masiliaan. Rugan is lang po yun dire. Isa ka, nabangon.
So they do polishing. Cool, right?
That's why you have. So normally left, here left, you push right, and it falls automatically in the corner. Because that's a moment when you cannot. One, don't stop. You can be absolutely.
It's up. It's trying to go up. It's cool.
Change the
We're back again. Sorry. Kaya, lahit.